Hi, thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. If you're new to our channel or our videos, we kind of get into what's impacting mortgage rates on a daily basis. So we put these videos out on usually Monday through Friday, unless there's a holiday, and kind of give you the information what's impacted rates on a daily basis, whether it could be something from economic data that was released that day, or headline news, or geopolitical. Sometimes things just don't make sense. In that case, a lot of times there's a shift in the market moods. So meaning that good news is sometimes bad news to investors, and vice versa. So we're here to kind of explain that, get that out there to you, let you make give you that information out there. If you're in the real estate market, this might help you out, give you a better understanding of what's going on in the markets. If you're a consumer looking to buy or refinance, you might be following rates and want to kind of see where they are. These videos could be great for you guys to follow along and determine if it's a good time to maybe lock in or to kind of hold off and see if you can get better pricing. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work at the National Lender, so we're here to answer any questions we might be able, if you any questions you might pose, whether it might be something in regards to mortgage rates itself, or maybe programs are available, et cetera, down there. Again, we are a National Lender, so we can help you guys if you guys are in need of anything. We can lend in all 50 states, so please feel free to reach out. We're here to help out. Without further ado, we'll start off with our economic data. We don't Today. There's none to be replaced. This is gonna be kind of light week in terms of economic data. We'll have a few things out, but the big one to watch out for will be Friday with they release the CPI report. The last one that came out had a pretty big spike, and of course, market reacted pretty negatively to that. So that will be again one to watch for this week, and that will be on Friday. Uh, So headline news. So where's the market coming from? It's mostly taken from news over the weekend. Basically, they're still kind of watching the Omicron uh, variant that comes out. We've had a couple cases already reported in the U.S. It's also coming out that it may be. It seems like there's more people catching it. However, hospitalizations aren't showing it, so it may be less uh, volatile or not as hurtful, I guess. I don't know what best word to say for it, but uh, that's not going to hurt people as much. So it might be more like a regular cold versus something that might be that could impact you much greater, great impact you much greater. So hopefully this may not be a big impact on the economy. That's the investors' of course biggest concerns is how it could impact the economy if we have lockdowns, et cetera, down the line like that. Um, Other news was out of China, basically that their People's Bank of China basically reduced the reserve amounts for banks over there, and then of course Evergrande is got payments to come on, and that's still ongoing. And basically, it seems like they might not be able to have the money to repay their creditors, so that could be creating a big stir. Now that might be affecting more China and maybe some other countries. I don't think we have as many Americans invested over there, at least with Evergrande. But again, I'm not sure how much of an impact that might have here with the U.S. As a result. So let's take a look at here what's going on here with the mortgage-backed securities, what rates are doing today. We had a good day on Friday where we came back up to the 25-day moving average. That was up 22 basis points. However, today, right now, we're down about 16 basis points. As you see, we did touch here. We started off right about here, and now we're down right about here. And that translates to big down 60 basis points from where we left off on Friday. And what does that mean? That should be enough there for be a change in the rate, so to the worse. So we're pricing and rate should probably be a little bit worse than what we got on Friday's close as a result of that. Let's see here the volatility here today. Here's the volatility. You see up and down and up and down. So we had some volatility. There's a lot of uncertainty in this market, and that's what we're kind of seeing right now. Especially when you get new variations like these, the new variants with the virus and everything like that. And of course, the Fed kind of shocking the markets last week with their talk about the change in policy, which will be coming up to their FOMC meeting coming up pretty soon. Also, yields. Here's the Treasury yields. We're down to about like 1.31 at one point, or in the 1.3s, and now we're up to about just under 1.44 right now. So towards the end here, we got these will be the national average rates for conforming limit. They do have points built into it, so take that into account. So a 15-year looks at 2.56%, and the 30-year fix is at 3.20 now. So these are kind of what the average rates going out there right now for conforming limits. Now, if you don't know about rates, we do have rates can vary from different loan programs out there, from jumbos and FHA, VAs, stuff like that, USDAs. They can vary. We also have things that vary also is the amount of equity or down payment a person may have into it. So if you're refinancing, how much, what your loan balance is to what your value of a property, or how much you're putting down if you're buying. That could make a difference. It also makes a difference with your FICO scores, your if it's a property, the type of property, like if it's a single family versus condo or townhouse to multi-unit properties. And we also got things like occupancy, where if you're a primary residence or if you're going to be using an investment property or second home, those also make a difference. And it's not just one or the other; it's all of it combined. And these are what factors into the price you get. So that's why there's no one size fits all in terms of these rates. So just keep those in mind. And if you guys got questions, we're here to answer. So please feel free to reach out anytime. And you guys have a great rest of your day. If you guys like these videos, please help us out. Smash that like button and follow us along. We greatly appreciate you guys' support. You guys have a great rest of your day. And again, we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye-bye.